Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Gridmaster Pro EA, an expert advisor developed by Vladimir Shumikhin for MT5. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at $50 with a 1-month rental option available for $30. This is version 1.21, updated on June 28, 2025. Looking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, the Grid Master Pro is presented as a universal grid trading expert advisor designed for a wide range of instruments. According to the developer, it can be used on major currency pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY, as well as gold, oil markets including Brent and WTI, and cryptocurrencies like BTC USD and ETH USD. One of the first things that stands out is the built-in monitoring panel. As shown on the product page, the panel provides real-time information including daily, weekly, monthly, and overall profit statistics, along with trade counts and trading history. There is even an option to quickly close profitable positions directly from the panel. As I continue through the feature list, the EA offers a high degree of flexibility in how the grid is configured. Users can define the number of pending orders, adjust the spacing between grid levels, and choose whether the system operates in buy only, sell only, or both directions. The AutoRange function is another notable feature because it can automatically calculate trading ranges using daily, weekly, monthly, or custom historic data, reducing the amount of manual chart preparation required. Risk management is also a major focus here. The EA supports both fixed lot sizing and percentage-based lot calculations. There are predefined risk modes, daily trading limits, maximum order limits, and spread controls that can help traders define how aggressively or conservatively they want the system to operate. The marketplace description also highlights traditional trade management tools such as stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and break-even functionality. These settings allow traders to customize how positions are managed once they are active and how profits are protected as market conditions change. Before moving into the backtesting section, it is worth noting that the developer specifically recommends testing the EA across multiple instruments and market environments. Since it supports currencies, metals, oil, and cryptocurrencies, historical analysis can vary considerably depending on the selected market and settings. Now, looking at the historical backtest results, let us start by going to the strategy tester. And as you can see, I'm running the Gridmaster Pro EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and I'm testing over the past about 5 months plus from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. All right, so looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative $16.73. Total trades taken were 26. 24 of those trades were profitable, giving us a 92.31% win rate. The largest profit was 7.93, largest loss 30.25, average profit 1.81, average loss 30.13. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very poor. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss, very wide. All right. So now I'm not surprised to see a negative total net profit, even though that is just very little compared to the initial deposit. But now looking at the historical backtest results, this section gives us an opportunity to evaluate how the EA performed during the tested period. Okay. Reviewing the chart activity, we can observe how the EA places and manages its grid structure according to the configured parameters. The exact behavior will naturally depend on, you know, settings such as grid, spacing, order quantity, trading direction, and risk configuration. Now, since these inputs are highly customizable, different traders may produce very different historical outcomes, even on the same instrument. Looking at the historical testing performance overall, it is important to remember that results are influenced by factors such as lot size, risk settings, spread conditions, broker execution, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Historical performance should always be viewed as a reference point rather than an expectation of future results. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and instruments. All right. And one of my observations on the chart is that this EA seems to be targeting short term price movement, although there are a few instances where the trade was held for perhaps a few days. You can see this instance here where the trade was opened here and it was actually a losing trade and it was finally closed at this point over several days. But you can see that the average length, you can see how trades are usually left for just several hours on average, right? But in some cases, you might see the trade holding for a couple of days. But overall, the Gridmaster Pro appears to offer a comprehensive set of grid trading tools combined with extensive customization, monitoring features, and risk controls. The flexibility provided through its grid configuration, auto-range functionality, trade management options, and daily limits gives traders plenty of room to tailor the system to their own approach. As always, make sure to test thoroughly on a demo account, optimize the settings carefully, and evaluate the historical performance before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.